Wherever
You go, I go.
We are
YGIG.
and you're tuned into Easy Ride.
Oh my God. The T.
Okay, bilangan na lang. 1, 2, 3.
I'm confident that I am going to mess up. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my God. Why are you putting at me, girl? Not me.
Okay, sabi po niya.
Oh, we're not going to go into details.
Yes,
pero
yes.
1, 2, 3. Kanino ka
Sino yun?
natin?
Both.
Above? Oo.
Both
Actually,
kayo. Pero si
yes.
Ate Jules, oo nga, no?
Yes.
Ay,
wait, what?
oo nga, si Ate Jules.
The realization.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Go.
Dalawa ako. Si Ate Vian to si Ate Lynn.
Why? Wow.
I don't know,
Ako
sometimes.
din.
Although I do.
Oo, diba?
Si Ate Vian, she prioritizes sleep over anything at this point.
Wow.
Yes.
Ikaw din actually.
Oo,
Mga
actually.
Lahat, pero
introverts kasi.
Ayaw walang tulog.
Oo. Ano daw si Jungkook daw?
As a fan,
As a fan.
Sa fans.
Fan?
Ang hirap ba?
parang wag. Mali yan.
Pero love namin sila.
Love namin kayo, guys.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
I mean, for me, lahat.
Oo nga.
Ah.
Wala kasi nagtitreat eh. Kanya-kanyang bayad eh.
Pero when I feel good, sabi
Kikipin
ko, amo
muna for
na.
a while.
Oo. Meron din ako.
1, 2, 3.
I mean, ang ano ko na, ang sagot ko dyan, ang ganda kasi ng mga songs.
Oo nga, oo nga.
Maganda
Ganda
kasi
nga.
yung songs.
Yeah.
Lalo na
For the-
OPM. diba?
Yes,
Oo,
yes,
for the
yes.
feels.
Super talaga. I know
Okay.
someone.
Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Sila pong tatlo.
Okay. Pero si Ate Jules pinaka.
Yes po.
At siya rin
Yes.
yung pinakamadaling ibudol.
Totoo, siya din yung pinakamadali.
Parang hindi lang din si Bien, si Jewel, si Bien din.
Oo.
Sa
And then ako
pagkain.
yung nadamay.
Oo. Actually,
Yes.
talaga.
Sila
kami
pong
dalawa.
dalawa.
1, 2, 3.
Uy, hindi thirst trap yun. Sige, tanggap ko na.
Ooh. Okay. Sino kaya napansin ni Jenny dyan? Yay! Rena, 2, 3. Yes! Ooh, yes.
We're gonna rock with Jenny.
Yes.
Oo. Sobrang naano kami nun parang, OMG!
Yes.
Ayun na si Kim Denny, oh.
Yeah. Oo. Actually, ano lang ako nun eh. Nagka-heart-heart na lang ako nun. Pagod na kasi ako.
If you want to learn more about us, you can check out our social media accounts at YGIG_official.
Yes, and our double single is out now, Chika Chika and Like That. At mahahanap niyo po siya sa lahat ng digital streaming platforms. And also our music video also.
Yes.
Available na din po si Chika Chika music video sa YouTube channel ng SB Town.
Yes. Remember someone today with
YGIG!
Bye, fam!
Hey, thanks for watching. For more exclusive videos and artist interviews,
You can check out all our videos by clicking here.
and don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts too. Links are in the description below.